Hi. So now in lesson 4, I'm going to introduce you to two of the three main somatic principles that we're taking from Aikido, and that is center and ground. So I'm going to show you how I practice center and ground. Everybody practices a little different, but maybe my practice will work for you. So let's stand up together. I'm going to start parallel feet, maybe a little bit further than shoulder length apart, and just find center right to left by allowing my weight to shift. Also find center front to back, allowing my weight to shift from toes to heels. Now let's step back with my right foot turning a little bit to the right so that my feet make a triangle. The left foot faces forward. And I'm going to notice where my weight is in relationship to front foot and back foot. And I'll let myself sway a little bit in front of the center and then behind the center. And then in front of the center. And I settle into this so that I can feel where I am crossing the centered place. So I'm slowing it down. And each time I cross the center place, I'm going to move a little bit less in front of and behind it. I want to equal the distance in front of behind center until I can rest in the center without holding it. And stay there. For push-backers, you may find that what you think is center is actually a little more forward than center, so be aware of the weight in your back foot. And for the cavers, the reverse is true. You may feel weight more in the back, thinking that it's center, and you can make an adjustment. For the rigids, stiffers, freezers, you just need to settle down, and then you can feel your weight more. Come back up to the parallel position and rest. Take a step back with the other foot and do the practice again. Each time you do it, you'll be able to find center a little bit more quickly, a little bit more easily. Come to center, come to standing again, and rest. Now I'm going to step back, and this time I'm going to step back. When I step back, I'm going to step back and down, forward and back and down. Noticing where my weight is front to back, settle back and down, as though I were stepping off a ladder. So there's this quality of down. I notice my arms want to be involved at this point. As I increase the changing of which foot steps back. And now I'm practicing center and also ground. I'm settling down. Keep my arms reflective of a vertical plane down the middle, and I'm stepping from one side of that plane to the other. This is a practice of settling down and finding center. At any point in time, I can move back and forth this way, finding center, relax, rest, back and down in the center, back and down in the center. Arms involved a little bit just by moving as the body moves. I'm not lifting my arms, I'm just letting them flow forward from my center, from here. And that's the whole practice. You'll see this practice described in writing in this lesson. And I'm settling back, finding balance. Now, walk around and see what it feels like. And enjoy your lesson.